Hi guys, it's Vivi. Chinese New Year is almost upon us, so in this video I am going to show you 3 amazing Chinese inspired recipes to help you welcome in the Year of the Dog. Let's get straight to it.
In a saucepan, add sugar, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, corn flour and water. Stir well and cook over a very low heat. Meanwhile, in a wok or frying pan, heat some sesame oil and add any vegetables of your choice and lightly stir fry. Add cashew nuts and fry for a few more moments. As always, all of my recipes are linked in the description. To the pan, add garlic, ginger and chilli sauce. Continue to stir fry until all of the garlic is fully cooked. Then add the sauce from the saucepan and mix well. Continue to cook for a few minutes and then it will be ready to serve. My partner said that this was nicer than from the Chinese takeaway. Let me know what you think. Serve simply with rice for a fragrant, spicy, delicious version of this classic dish. For this quick and super easy recipe, start by mixing some ginger with some sweet chilli sauce, soy sauce and mix well. To a pan of boiling water, add a vegetable stock cube and bring back to the boil. In a wok or frying pan, heat some sesame oil and stir fry any vegetables of your choice. Add the ginger, chilli and soy mix and stir fry for a few minutes. Meanwhile, add noodles of your choice to the vegetable stock and cook as per the instructions on the packet. Add the cooked vegetables to a bowl, top with the noodles and the vegetable stock for a tasty dinner that's ready in minutes. To make the sweet and sour sauce, add to a saucepan water, sugar, vinegar, ketchup, ginger, lemon juice and orange juice and mix well. Then add some cornstarch to thicken it up a bit. Over a medium heat, bring the sauce to a boil and then simmer, stirring occasionally. To achieve the bright red colour, add a few drops of food colouring. To make the batter, in a bowl add some flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, sugar, corn flour and some water. Mix well. The batter will be really thick, but it helps everything stick together. In a pan, gently fry some seasoned tofu. This is the first time I've ever cooked with tofu, so I've made a little bit of a mess, but it still tasted amazing. In a separate pan, heat some oil to fry the balls in. Coat your tofu in some corn flour before you put them in the batter. You might need to get messy here, but it's so worth it. Carefully drop the battered tofu into the hot oil and use a slotted spoon to turn and then removed when fully cooked. I hadn't had sweet and sour balls since before I gave up meat over 5 years ago, so I was super excited for this recipe and it didn't disappoint. These were amazing.
I hope you enjoyed those recipes. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. All that's left now is for me to check out this fortune cookie. It says please subscribe. It says new ideas could be profitable. See you again soon. Bye!